everybody, Taylor with Taylor Outdoor Adventures. We're here hog hunting with my brother-in-law Brandon. Gonna have our buddy Shane come out too with his son, and hopefully we'll get him a hog. Today I'll be shooting a 30-30 lever action. My Brandon here will be shooting a
Model 700 308.
We got to christen that thing today. So our job is right now is to get out there and push to the right a little bit, look at some new land, and then hopefully when Shane gets here, we'll go to our spot where we usually get one and hopefully whack a pig.
Hell yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's do it. Like and subscribe.
Clearly see the red light.
Man, is it beautiful out, dude. That's what it's all about.
With how hot it is, they're gonna be way back in the water today.
Well, hopefully we could get them at the flag pond or
right
where we got the last two, you know. It's right there. Ready. I had that shot.
You just want me to walk out, see if he moves?
No.
Were you filming?
Yeah.
Play it back, see if you can see him when it's this light. See, like, that way you can see how close it was, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I kinda wanna go get him, but
Well, if he's out here.
you see him?
Something all the way across the field over there.
See it? How far?
180 yards.
I can't see that far. Wonder where this guy popped out on. Unless he's sitting in the middle. I'm not listening to you ever again.
That thing was pretty small though. That was like the size one I killed.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, now we can tell Shane we saw one this morning.
Mm-hmm.
We can come back here.
That's a good sign. I think we're gonna run into him today.
Hopefully.
I mean, you walked up on that motherfucker.
He's probably 20 yards.
Just turned and looked right at us. That shows you how stupid those fuckers are.
Yeah.
I'm just like, don't move, don't move. That thing was young. I'm kind of glad we let it go. Put more out here for us next year.
I'm just trigger happy, you know that.
These motherfuckers.
I know, these mosquitos, bro.
So you're wearing a long sleeve. You're getting away with it right now.
I know. It's...
Fuckers are chewing me up.
We could keep taking that route, or we can just cut along here so we could spot him still.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do a big circle around here, and then by that time,
yeah.
All
right.
7.
I'd rather not take a shot and keep it here.
Yeah, that's kind of how that's like another reason why I was just like, just hold for a second. Just,
I know. I get excited.
I know you do. That's why. Stop.
I mean, they could be fucking right here too.
Try listening for rattles.
I don't think he ran that far, that fucking hog.
He's still in that field.
He's got to be in that middle.
That's what I'm thinking.
Good, now I got to edit that out.
Is it on? Oh,
of course it is. I got to have some type of content to make a video. It only hurt us when I beeped.
Yeah, turn and looked at us. Like,
I know. Bro, you always see him first. I don't know how I didn't see that one.
Because you're blind as a bat, bro.
Hey, I got glasses now.
Ain't helping.
Of course it's tilted. So we saw the one before, we walked up on it within 20 yards. We decided not to take a shot. And he should be in this field somewhere still. They don't run far unless they're seriously spooked. Unless we take a shot. So it can jump out at any moment. don't shoot this way, Brandon, please. It's got to be out here somewhere. He might have gone away. We were expecting him to be right in this area. Just don't shoot to your right.
I won't.
We go this way. Hey, how much? He's got to be in here somewhere. I was just gonna say, we know the choke points now, man. They love these choke points in between the flag ponds.
Ugh. I can puke right now.
Why?
Because I drank a Red Bull and haven't ate.
Oh. Just a little update. How long have we been out here for? Good hour and a half. Hopefully the video before you could see the hog that we walked up on, probably 20-30 yards away. We were able to take a shot, but we decided not to. It turned at the last minute, plus we want Shane, our buddy, to get one first. Now we're back at the car, or the truck. I'm gonna wait for Shane, grab some Gatorade water, wait for him, get him his shotgun, and then we're gonna head back out to the spot where we usually see him. So wish us luck. Taylor's Outdoor Adventures, like and subscribe.
Like this popping, like right here.
Yeah, that wallow is that way a little bit. Whew, it's hot out here, huh, Rayson?
It is.
Much easier with the boots now, huh?
Yeah.
Than your Crocs the first time. Our trail point is that way, so we're just gonna hug this, go that way.
Okay.
And there's another spot where we've killed a hog, and more water that way. We're gonna see if we could spook one. What the? Raccoon, maybe?
Yeah.
It's a big raccoon, huh?
There's a turkey about 50 yards to our right.
You want to try and push in, or you want to try and loop around? Alright, we're heading back to the truck. We just spooked another bunch of hogs. I'm going to try to go to a different area where there's more water. I'm going to go south on the dirt road. See if we can spot something from the car and hop out and find some water or a pig run through the woods and get a shot. We had 2 opportunities today, and first one we decided not to shoot, and the second one we were just hurrying to get back and we spooked them. Lesson learned. Always be on point even when you're walking back to the car to change locations. There's a pond right over there we're trying to get to. Hopefully this good old boy pick-me-up truck with 2-wheel drive can get us there, right Brandon?
Hopefully. Until we hit that sugar stand right in front of us. Go from here.
Alright, yeah. Looks like we're walking.
Let's do it.
Alright everybody, that's it for today. Got anything to say, Brandon?
It's hot.
It's hot as hell out. It's 99 right now. Walked 5.5 miles.
Walked up on 2 of them that was spooked too, see?
Yeah, we spooked a group of them, and then we didn't take the shot in the beginning, which we kind of regret, but it is what it is. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully you liked the video, and like and subscribe to Taylor's Outdoor Adventures.